Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for Cisco, developing applications using Cisco core platforms and APIs DEVCOR. You can download the complete list of Cisco-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on DevCore is: can you explain the concept of continuous integration (CI) and continuous deployment (CD) in microservices architectures? Your answer should be: continuous integration (CI) is the practice of automatically building and testing code changes whenever they are committed to version control, ensuring early detection of integration issues. Continuous deployment (CD) extends CI by automatically deploying code changes to production environments after passing automated tests, ensuring fast and reliable software delivery in microservices architectures. Our next interview question is: how do you handle service orchestration and choreography in microservices architectures? Your answer should be: service orchestration involves using a central orchestrator to coordinate interactions between services in a predefined sequence, while choreography involves services collaborating autonomously through asynchronous messaging. In microservices architectures, developers can use orchestration or choreography patterns based on the complexity and requirements of the business processes being implemented. Our next interview question is: how do you handle cross-service transactions and eventual consistency in microservices architectures? Your answer should be: handling cross-service transactions and eventual consistency in microservices architectures involves using distributed transaction patterns like Saga patterns or compensation-based transactions. Developers need to carefully design transaction boundaries, handle compensating actions, and ensure eventual consistency across distributed services to maintain data integrity and reliability. Our next interview question is: can you explain the concept of API gateway aggregation and composition in microservices architectures? Your answer should be: API gateway aggregation and composition involve using an API gateway to aggregate data from multiple microservices into a single response or compose complex queries by orchestrating calls to multiple microservices. In microservices architectures, API gateway aggregation and composition help reduce client-side complexity, improve performance, and enable efficient data retrieval across distributed services. Our next interview question is: how do you handle service versioning and backward compatibility in microservices architectures? Your answer should be: handling service versioning and backward compatibility in microservices architectures involves maintaining multiple versions of services using techniques like API versioning, backward compatible changes, and feature flags. Developers need to ensure backward compatibility with existing clients while introducing new features or changes to services in microservices architectures. If you are preparing for any Cisco-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.